Why build when you can purchase a like-new 3-year-old home with an installed yard, landscaping, and outdoor paradise overlooking a golf course and pond? Welcome to the contemporary beauty that this home has to offer, with views of the No. 2 fairway at the stunning Bridgewater Golf Community. This is the Hollin 17 floor plan by Windsor Homes and is complete with a covered veranda, plenty of gorgeous natural light shining through the large Anderson windows that face the endless beauty of western sunsets. Complete with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, plus 2.5-car garage with tons of storage. Everything that you need is right here. All 3 bedrooms have large walk-in closets for plenty of personal storage. This open concept ranch also has a gourmet kitchen featuring a large island, matte quartz countertops, and luxurious stainless steel appliances. The master suite is spacious and has breathtaking views of the pond and golf course. The master bath offers dual sinks and custom tiled no-lip shower. All interior walls have spray foam and batting. And just wait until you see the custom fire pit area that's also pre-plumbed and ready for a hot tub. So what are you waiting for? Come down to Bridgewater Golf Community and experience the nostalgic comfort of saying, "I'm home." Call Emily Ganshorn for more information on this fantastic property.